If you're still building your rate from scratch on every single project, you are losing hours you don't have to lose. Every contractor knows this, babe. Client sends a BOQ and you open a blank spreadsheet and now you're calculating labor, materials, overhead, and profit from zero again and again and again. So I built one file that does it for you. Buildings, roads, and civil works all in one workbook as the ultimate rate builder version 8.0. Here is how it works in 3 steps. First of all, you open up your dashboard. But before then, let me go through the 3 dashboard we have. As you can see, we have the building dashboard. As you can see here, we have the building dashboard. And we also have, from here, we have the price bank for the building materials. As you can see, we have a price bank that covers everything in regards to building, including your swimming pool and every other thing. And you have a portion for your materials and labor, and also when we go back to our road dashboard, we also have the road price bank. As you can see here, we have our road price bank for all materials as well as labor, and everything here. And also, we also have our civil price bank over here, where we have our bridges, our highway materials, our hydraulic structures, deep foundation, and civil accessories, So so back to what I was saying. In 3 steps, I'll show you exactly how to use this. So first of all, we open our dashboard. So I'm just going to let's just pick the road dashboard. So once I pick the road dashboard, you set your overhead percentage. You could set, if you're taking 15%, you put your 15% as a contractor, that is your contractor's margin here. And then you set your overhead percentage, and that's it. The moment you change either number, every single rate in the workbook recalculates itself. Just imagine I take this to, let's say I took it to 10. So once I took it to 10, you could see this initially used to be 7, but right now it's 6 million thereabouts, as the highest priced item, and the average rate across all items and all of that. So step 2 is to go to your price bank. This is where you plug in your current market prices, materials. As you can see, we have materials, and then you can also input your your labor rates and your equipment rates also. So whatever that is accurate for your location is what you input. And then the last step, which is the step 3, is to click into the rate summary. Every item is priced. As you can see, the rate summary shows you all item is priced, the final rate per unit, ready to drop straight into your bill of quantity. So this is exactly everything that you see under the rate summary. You could pause all of this. As you can see, we have the roads, we have the swimming pool, we have the bridges, we have a lot of rates here. So no formulas to touch, no rebuilding rate analysis. Every time a price changes, update once and it flows through the entire file. So this is the exact rate builder I use on my own jobs. So if you want it, the link below is available for your purchase. You can grab it, plug in your numbers, and start pricing it like it's your full-time job.